And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 27, verse 13 up to 17. Rebecca insisted, "Let his course fall on me. Just do what I say and bring me the meat." So Jacob brought the meat to his mother, and she cooked the tasty food that his father liked. Then she took Esau's best clothes and put them on Jacob. She also covered the smooth part of his hand and neck with goat skin and gave him some red and tasty food she had cooked. See, in this passage, we can see here the efforts of Rebecca. She did everything just to deceive her husband, Isaac, and just for her favorite son, Jacob, to receive the blessing from his father. So, we can see that this is a case of extreme favoritism where the mother did everything just for her favorite son to receive the blessing from his father. So this resulted to she she deceived her husband and also deceived the firstborn son.